the last time it ran, it caught fire. I hate to see old classics die, particularly old JDM classics. I've been a bit naughty and acquired a long-term project, so let me talk you around it. It's not the Tom and Chiara. The new project is a Blitzen Legacy. B5 chassis code. The Blitzen is a 2-litre mid-sized cruiser, and this particular one has been sat around for many years not doing anything, and let me show you why. The last time it ran, it caught fire. Not great. A lot of damage to wiring. The dash seems to be the culprit. From speaking to legacy experts, it seems to be a common issue, or a not uncommon issue. So quite a lot of damage, quite a lot of wiring repairs. So I'll be effectively throwing away a lot of this wiring, rewiring it, maybe putting in a digital dash. Not quite decided what make to go in there yet, whether it's Haltech or AIM or Life Racing, not quite sure yet. ECU, which is under the footwell, under a plate under the footwell there, I'm going to get rid of the standard ECU that's in there and run a Cyvex ECU, so that I've got control over everything and all the modern safe features that you could possibly want in the ECU. Let me talk you through the engine bay, because the Legacy is a bit strange. The Legacy Gen 3 B4 Blitzen was a twin turbo. So you have the primary turbo down here for low end torque and drivability, and you've also got a secondary turbo down here which gives it more of a top end power, and there's a balance tube and all kinds of magic wizardry within this box of horrors here. I am going to do away with the twin turbos on this, because these are an absolute nightmare, and put a single appropriately sized turbo in and run a more modern AVCS engine in here, either an EJ207 STI heads or an EJ257 with the, again, AVCS heads. As you can see, it's been sat for a long while, so it needs a lot of TLC to bring this back to life. The Blitzen Legacy was a joint venture between Subaru and Porsche Design. Porsche Design of the famous Porsche Motor Company, a subsidiary, a design-based subsidiary, and they were tasked with Subaru of making it look cool. So they designed these special wheels, which are in pretty good nick. And they did a lot of the interior work as well. Obviously the fire damage was not a design feature, but seats, very comfortable seats. Interior trim levels, mainly leather or half leather. And basically, you know, essentially apart from the fire damage, this is in very good nick. So my job with this car is to bring it up to date, modern drivetrain engine, or an EJ207 or 257 engine, modern ECU, all the toys, street tuned to about 400 horsepower. That's where I'm aiming to get to with this, because I think that makes a really nice street power level. Not that I'm a street racer, but it's nice to have a bit of fun, and obviously it will have brakes and suspension to match. It's going to take me a while, but you'll be able to follow the progress of everything that I do on this and why I'm doing it over the course of the next few months, maybe years. But it's going to get done, and it's going to come back to life, and should be a really cool street car. So there we have it, the next long-term project car.